Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our weekly live room results. Now, I have chosen 4 pairs that are more than enough, and I would like to start with USD Yen. You can see this is the vertical line that indicates the beginning of the week. We were already in on this, we were already in on this trade. Our last position runs with 250 pips. Of course, we have locked profits of our last position of 140. So we saw price breaking resistance, higher settings, lower settings combination 1 to 3, and as a late entry we had the opportunity to enter with an M6 due to volatility. We saw price giving us only a single candle of retracement, so no harm done to go with lower risk and lower settings entry. So here with an APO of 30 plus pips, price is already now 96 pips, already moved 120. So you can see more than 3 times our APO in this pair. Now if we go to New Zealand dollar yen, you will see, and you remember that we were stuck on a wedge. 2 options: bounce trading in a wedge on a range, or waiting for a breakout. So at the beginning again of the week, price started to break out, and we went and saw a really nice M12 1 to 3. It wasn't the first one. You see here, after the reaction, price slowly started to improve our 1 to 3s here. We already have a higher high and a higher low. So at this point, again, if you took it with an APO of 25-30 pips, price is already 300 pips. So easily we had quickly our win-win scenario. So now in this case we talk about 10 times our APO, and that's not over yet, because last position can go 500 pips or even more. If you remember, we are going for much more higher even at these levels here. That is the exact reason why we look at the higher settings. If we check now oil, you will see that we were long anyway. Once our position reached 1000 pips, some of you are already in with 1300. We were out because we trailed our APO a little bit closer than usual, and we paid for that. And then we had a really nice setup. So what happens here? Okay, what we saw was this. Again, like 60, 50 pips, already 200. 200 pips, is that 200? 200. First and second target met, of course. Probably you get stopped out you with much more higher settings. So that means, of course, 4 times our APO. CHF yen, another pair that we are already in. Again, last position 380, locked profits 200 pips. We saw price not giving us once more a nice retracement, but we know after breakout we have volatility, so we can enter an M6, and that was a really good one. Again, entry APO, again more or less 30 pips, price 300 pips. 10 times our APO, quickly, stress-free. Resistance area has broken. Of course, at this level we take incremental profits. Don't forget money management rules, and of course we continue forever again all the way up here. So actually you can see that with 30 pips I'm going for 1,800. So I risk less for much more. Great. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend and see you all on Monday morning with our top-down approach. Have fun, everybody. Stay safe. Oops, sorry, I forgot to add up here. All our positions gave us 28 times our APO, 910 pips only with these 4 pairs. Okay, let me clarify something. Yes, we get stopped out. It's part of the game, but who cares? We are talking about 900 pips already. No problem there. Okay, everybody. Bye-bye. Cheers.